Presenting a growing little ones video. Hey everybody, we've got more Mickey and the Roadster Racers toys. We just picked this up at Walmart and it is the Mickey Transforming Roadster Racer. But it's also remote control. So he talks, he lights up, and he transforms from a car to a race car, and he's remote control. This is gonna be so cool. Look at that. We love the new Disney Junior show, Mickey and the Roadster Racers. Here is one of our other transforming vehicles. Look at that. Transforms into a race car. And it talks and lights up. Look at that. Vroom, vroom.
Seatbelts, we're ready to go.
Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and check it out, because I am so excited. Here it comes. Look at this. Wow, this thing is so big. Look at this. It is huge. And this folds up. Turn these. Oh, he's almost there. Oh, they hid one in here. Look at this. They've got this guy tied down tight. He is free. We've got Mickey turned on, and we've got the remote turned on. You've got a forwards and a backwards, left turn, right turn, a horn, and now what does this button do? Let's check it out, because I'm really curious about that button. Here we go. Oh my goodness! Look at that!
Race hard and have fun.
That is the coolest thing I have ever seen. Here, let's try and hit it again. He transforms all by himself. Okay, I take it back what I said in the last video. This is the coolest Mickey toy I have ever seen. And my new favorite.
Okay, pal. Let's race hard and have fun.
Let's go backwards. Woo! He's pretty easy to control. And we need him to go back to a car. There we go. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, we are so going to have to take this thing outside and check it out where there's more space. But let me give you a close-up of this transformation process. Mickey, transform.
Okay, pal. Let's race hard and have fun.
And it lights up here on the front.
Okay, pal.
I just can't get enough of that. And watch the spoiler. The spoiler goes down.
Okay, pal. Let's race hard and have fun.
You hit this button right here for the phrases.
Roadster Racers, start your engines. Okay, pal. Let's race hard and have fun. Hot rod diggity dog. Ready, pal? And this roadster race is about to get rolling.
All right, let's take this thing outside and go have some fun. All right, we're outside and we're going to test it out in the driveway.
Okay, pal. Let's race hard and have fun.
He's ready to race hard. Let's check him out. He's a car now. Ready to race in his car. Uh-oh. On your mark, get set, go! Whee! Time to go backwards. On your mark, get set, go! Uh-oh. On your mark, get set, go! So excited to share these cool toys with you, and the fact that they transform is just amazing. We've had so much fun with them. Ta-da!
Okay, pal. Well, race hard and have fun.
But if you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.